Okay, once you've got all of your parts cut and laid out, we're going to just kind of put them off to the side as we go with them. We're going to start by building the base. For the base, we're just going to need 4 of the elbows, 2 T's, and 2 of the long ones. So you want to start an elbow and an elbow. And back on. Same with the back. Gotta make sure they're straight. And 1 each in each side of the 10-inch. And you see I painted mine once it was together, so my bottoms are not painted. It's cosmetic. I'm not worried about that. But here I will try to keep them on the bottom. Same with the other side, of course. I'm not worried too much about tightness just yet, because I will, once it's together, square it up. And in here, T and the T. And then complete. And complete on this side. And now she's locked in and she's tight. Now we'll begin by building the upright, which is 2 of the 20 inches. Simply into it and into it. From here then, this is where the other T's come into play. Because you're going to put 1 here. That's to support the actual valve mount. Second one on this side. And then here you can see I already have drilled out the holes for the U-bolt. And then the U-bolt comes with a metal back plate, which then I just have electrical tape that I tape it nice and tight onto the back side so it mounts through it this way. And once it's on there, you can use the U-bolt itself to kind of put a level on it, and you can adjust that level as we're not using any glue on this at all. The 3-inch risers then come here. Along with the remaining, same thing here and here. Put them facing the same way. And there you go. Of course, mine looks a little bit crooked at the moment because I just put it right back together again. But since it's all flexible and all of my parts are not all the way in, it's easily fixed. And there you have it. Now the one thing you can do, you can drill multiple spots for multiple valves if you'd like. You can put an extra support in the back. And I have one that's longer here. Why is that? But that's basically your mount.